Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. This is part 2 of our Gemini plus NanoBanana tutorial. If you haven't seen part 1 yet, where we generate our product images, make sure to check that out first. Just click the link on the description to watch the part 1. Next on this tutorial, we're going to take these images and transform them into UGC video automatically. Okay, let's get started. First, just download the image we generated earlier, like this. And then just go to menu, this one, just tap on it, and then tap on new chat, and then tap on tools icon again, and then just choose create videos with VO. Now just upload the image that you downloaded before. Just tap on add photo, like this, and then just type a prompt to generate the video, for example like this. For example like this, and then just hit generate. And okay, like this, the video is ready. Let's try to play the video.
This jacket keeps me so warm. I love it.
Okay, like this. That's pretty awesome. It took my statics product shots and turned it into a moving, natural UGC clip with voice dialogue. I didn't need actors, a camera, or editing software, just single photo and a prompt. So there you have it. NanoBanana inside Gemini is like the new UGC king, from instant image to full product videos, all automated, all no code. It's perfect if you want to create ads or content super fast. Okay, maybe that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.